Hey everybody, it's ThatGamerDad
and Memer house.
Memer what?
This is the best line, that's the worst line. Oh my god, a disaster. Going with love this slime. Oh my goodness, get in the ball, dude. Okay, let's get this all in the ball.
Oh, it worked!
Whole bunch of slime. Ooh, get in my hands. Oh, don't drop on the carpet. Woohoo! Go in the slime, go in my hand.
Hey everybody, it's ThatGamerDad
and Memer house.
Memer what?
House.
Memer helps?
House.
Memer's house. Hey, I like that. Meme's house.
And then
Meemer Bears.
I'm gonna probably make this into a slime house and my fall, but we'll restart it probably.
Okay.
So I don't have to make the roof. We don't have to make a roof.
No, we don't. So today on Meemer Bears house.
Yeah, cause I have lots of dresses.
Just made that name up now.
And then it was so clean right there later, but now it was messy.
So it's a little bit messy over on the other side of the kid apartment where we shoot our videos. So today, what are we doing, Meemer Bears?
We're doing slime.
We are making slime today.
Yeah, let me do it. We're making slime, and then we're gonna open it.
Don't cover your face. Okay. So this is the Nickelodeon Slime Kit. We bought it at Mastermind Toys.
Yes, we did.
It has everything you need in it to make slime, and it's also for parents out there. The slime, it says, we'll find out, the slime will easily wash from skin and most children's fabric with soap and water.
Be quiet. And then I'm gonna go to Dawn's tomorrow, so I can't do the slime.
Who is Dawn?
Dawn is a grown-up. She's pretty taller than me.
She's pretty taller than you? Okay, let's see what we have in the box of Nickelodeon slime. We have a bowl.
And I have this little
thingy. Little glue thingy.
Yes.
Macabre. A couple of, a little spoon.
Yes.
What do we have? Slime activator.
Yeah, it's water. And then we had the...
Do not permit this liquid to contact the skin. Okay, so that's for the parents.
Is this the slime?
I think that's gonna, yeah. And we've got
more
white slime glue.
White slime glue.
So this is what all is in the box. Hold on.
Yes.
Let's see what we got. And we got a piece of cardboard.
Yeah, but we don't want to throw that.
No, bye-bye.
But that's so funny. And we got a little spoon here. This is a paper there.
Let's do this so we can have our slime box on screen.
We have a little spoon and 2 cups.
That's right, we do. Okay, so let's look at these instructions here. Instructions for making slime.
Yeah, and we got this glue in it. It has slime on it.
So we've got, looks like 3 little cups and lids.
Yeah. And then
it looks like we've got 3 popsicle sticks.
Yes, and a little spoon, and then we pour this in here.
This is gonna be disgusting.
Yeah, it's gonna be disgusting.
And then we got a little green spoon.
Yeah.
What colors are those, Memers?
Pink and green.
And we've got 1 of them.
Yes.
And 2 of them.
Yeah.
Okay, so getting started, the directions for making your slime. Let's read this first before we start doing stuff.
Yes. We got green.
We can open this part up. Yeah, which color are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna pick pink.
Pink. That's what I thought.
2 things.
Okay, so first step, we're just gonna go ahead and start this. Boom. Boom. This is the measuring cup that we've got.
Yeah, and we got a little green spoon.
Yep, there's your little green spoon.
Okay, then we can mix this all up. So
yep, that's how we're going to do it.
Let me put this in here so we don't lose
Let's lay this all out.
Yes.
I think what we need to get is a second camera so we can show people from the other side. Oh, is she crying?
Yeah, but we can't hear her.
Who is Vanna?
Vanna is our little sister that I have.
How old is she?
She is How? 8 weeks.
8 weeks old. Today's her 2-month birthday since Vanny was born.
When Vanny was born, she was asleep.
She was.
Yeah, so she was in that little box thingy. I didn't know what it was.
Okay, so we have a bowl,
and we have
green
water.
spoon.
We have water too.
Okay, but that's for adults to touch there.
Yes.
This says, do not permit this liquid to contact the skin or eyes, or don't eat it. Just joking. Wouldn't do that. Okay.
Oh! Disgusting.
Okay. Measure 15 milliliters of white glue.
Yeah, we got
white glue
yeah.
in the measuring cup.
And we got this. What are these for?
Those are for scraping and stuff. Okay. So I'm going to do this part. Let's see. Do you need... No, you do not need to take anything off the inside. So let's do this. Oh, wait. Oh, disgusting. Where's the 15?
And
15 milliliters.
Daddy's
there it is. So it's got to go up to that line.
Yeah, and
here we go.
We need to squeeze.
Up to the top of my finger. That is a lot of glue.
Yeah, a lot.
Okay, so we're gonna pour
this in the bowl.
Yep, we're gonna pour it in the bowl now.
Yeah, it might be.
Oh, we have 2 bowls. 2 bowls.
Okay. Okay, ready
We're gonna pour this in.
Yes.
We definitely need 2 cameras in the future for this, but we're okay for now.
Yeah, we're okay. Then we have to mix it.
Okay. So we're getting all the glue out of the little measuring cup.
I'm gonna mix it so we don't. I'm gonna mix it because it's too small for you.
Okay, so this is our slime video, Sunday Slimers.
Yeah, and we're gonna take the slime out later.
Okay, so we put that over there. Don't touch that. That's got glue in it.
Yes.
Next thing.
Yes, next thing.
Oh, can you go get... Oh, I'll go. You go. Carefully bring that water over here.
Okay. Carefully, carefully.
Carefully, carefully. You'll need a little bit of water.
We'll need a little. You can pour it in.
I'll do the pouring. Good idea.
Here you go.
Thank you. There's our cup of water.
Yeah, we have a cup of water. Don't do it too far.
Yeah, that's right.
I might spill.
We need 30 milliliters of water. So that is going to be boop, 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 1 whole cup of this guy. So I'm going to very carefully. Perfect. And we're going to dump it in. It's still... Oh! Oh, wait. Hold on. Chew! Oh, that's disgusting. Do I have something coming out of my nose, Mila?
No, it's
I'm just joking.
fine.
Oh, I think I messed this one up. Ah! I think this didn't work. I did it. I don't know. Want to do another one?
Yes.
Okay. Whatever. But this, you know what? That was our first one ever. We've never done slime before, but...
No, whatever.
There you go, everybody. It's disgusting.
Disgusting. Eat it, Daddy.
Ew. Kind of looks like some Chinese food I've gotten. Oh.
Don't eat it.
It is so gross.
Yeah, it looks like homemade chocolate.
It looks like homemade chocolate. Okay, so here we go again. Working. It's turning into slime. I can see it. And then
we're gonna play.
We're gonna play with the slime. Oh yeah, this is it. Here we go. Now as I'm starting to mix it, it's turning into slime. Legit pink.
I'm gonna try to fix this all up for you.
Oh, dude. Oh, it worked. That was totally successful.
Let's play with it. No, not yet.
Almost. But now you're gonna get slime stuff all over the place.
Then I'm gonna get all messy.
Oh.
Oh, it's so yucky.
Okay, no, but. Okay, that's the failed slime.
Yeah,
if you get this, that is failed slime. Womp womp womp. That's gonna go over here. All right, Mila.
Okay. Right now, Mom's messy.
Here's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
We're gonna use the box.
Why?
So you can put. Now you can just lift it out. Oh, come on, do it. It's so gross. Lift it. Oh, lift it up. No. Oh. It's so disgusting. Now you have to knead it like, oh. It's gonna get all over everything.
Yeah, it's so good.
Stop.
Ew, I got it.
You're supposed to.
Ew, disgusting.
You knead it. You have to work it in like this. Ugh.
Can I please have some?
No, not yet. Wait until I'm.
Ew, disgusting. I've got some on you. Ew.
This is gross. It's totally gross. Ah, that feels so gross. It feels so gross.
Feel it right now.
I gotta put it in and just turn it like this. You get like a ball. And keep turning it until it firms up. Because it shouldn't be too
messy.
Goopy.
I'm gonna take this.
Mila's. Oh, you made a total mess, dude. Oh, look at my hands. Oh, look, I have pink nails. Look at. Oh, that's pretty.
I got pink nails too.
Oh. I mean, what are we supposed to do? Now, what do you do with it?
Now I do.
You just do stuff.
Oh, so disgusting.
Okay.
It's gonna get on that.
Now, if you peel it all off and put it back in the bowl. Okay, everybody. Well, there's your slime. We did it.
Yeah.
Success.
It's all messy.
Yeah, it's totally messy. So fun for kids.
Disgusting.
Oh. It does kind of.
It got all over the box.
I don't know what to do now because my.
We're gonna play with it.
Yeah, we're gonna play with it.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Do you know how to do our new outro?
We're gonna take this out.
This is ThatGamerDad and
Meemer Slime.
Meemer Slimes saying
I have
cheese and carrots. We'll see you next time on Mila's Slime House.
Disgusting.
Disgusting. Peas and carrots.
It's a gooey slime and guys, we got all messy, so I'm gonna drop it in. Oh, I dropped on a box. So it's okay if we drop it on a box. We're gonna leave this up here so we don't have to. And then Cohen can make the slime with us. We'll the kids, then Daddy. Ooh, so gooey. Oh my goodness, my hands are a disaster. A disaster. I'm getting my hands all clean, getting them all off. Oh no.
Look at me and smile.
Don't drop on my shirt. How don't you dare. I'm always trying to get the slime off. We never did a slime video before. And we never had slime. Okay. It has a little pad here. Let's get it out. Yeah, they're all messy. It looks like a spider web. Ooh, disgusting slime that Daddy made. Yeah. We're gonna leave this up here. So we're not gonna probably do that. So we're just gonna leave this up. We're gonna probably do that. Daddy, what are you doing? Up. And then work it up. Put it in there. We got all messy. When I was cleaning Daddy.
Hey, Mila.
What?
You have something on your hands. I just wanted to let you know. What's on your hands?
Slime.
It looks kind of messy.
Yeah, it is. Ew, disgusting. What? Disgusting.
Oh, it's gonna drip.
And guys, I got this whole bunch of slime. Ooh, get in my hands. Oh, don't drop on the carpet. Ooh, go in the slime, go my hands in the air. That is this slime kit. And I'm gonna put this all back in.
Are you gonna be able to?
I'm trying.
I know, it's hard. It took me all that time to just get my hands to look like this. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's going over the side of the bowl. It's going over.
Messy.
It's going over the side of the bowl.
Then we got this one. That's the worst.
Oh. No, that one, leave that one.
Okay.
Put it back. Just.
Ew, this guy's good. I don't like that slime. This one is more better than that gooey worst slime ever. Gotta make this best slime. Now I'm like, that's a better one. Oh, it's gonna drop! Okay, let's don't do that. Let's don't do that! Remember, because was getting excited. It's listening to my Xbox. I think someone was gonna dress up like this.
Really?
Yeah, for real. Ew, disgusting. Look at my hands. Ew. Ah. I'm gonna take this all off later. Ew, okay. I'm gonna take it off right now. I'm gonna take it all off. Because we're gonna put it all back in.
You're gonna put it back in the bowl?
I'm gonna leave this. Oh my goodness. Don't drop. How dare you don't drop on the carpet surface. Oh, it's disgusting. Oh, disgusting slime. You look a little bit messy. Your hands are little. Don't take it all off. We'll both be messy. We're both messy, we're both Cassie. You don't got slime on your phone? Ooh, disgusting. I'm gonna take this. Ooh, let's test it over there. Ooh, it's making a little hole. I'm making a hole. Yay. This always makes a hole. Let's cover it up. Ooh. Okay, let me try this again. Oh, it makes a little pattern noise. Let's get this off. Do it quick as I can. Ow! Okay. I'm gonna go messy at times. Tom is gonna be serious. I will get slime all over my food, but I'll clean it.